But President Trump said today, seemed to clarify that he's not going to fire him. So we got to wait until May. And Scott Bessent is going to he's holding a process. Let me ask you something you mentioned before on digital assets. Can we focus on that for a minute? What's he done wrong?
Well, he put banks out of business. And he has withheld master accounts from financial institutions that would seem by statute to qualify to receive them. I think he's overextended his authority. And in addition to that, it's like whack-a-mole trying to do business with the Fed. Nobody will take responsibility for who is the bottom line on dealing with issues, whether it's the Fed presidents, the bank presidents, the head of bank supervision, the chair of the Federal Reserve. It is, Larry, you wouldn't believe what a morass that place is
Is the Fed blocking the cryptocurrency revolution, in your judgment?
Absolutely. The manner in which banks that were dealing with digital assets as borrowers, and they were put out of business, literally, by the bank regulators at the Fed. And those were solvent banks, Larry. Those banks were not failing.
And the Fed wants its own central bank digital currency, which would be a lousy idea, don't you think?
Terrible idea. The United States doesn't need a direct-to-consumer CBDC or a wholesale CBDC. Now, Jay Powell agrees that we should not have a direct-to-consumer CBDC, so I agree with him on that.